Hey, what's up, guys? You guys probably remember the overflow tank that I installed. Well, I don't really like where it's at. I think I'm going to take it out and I'm going to put it right here. So it'll be right beside the radiator. I just think that'll look a little better. The reason I didn't put it there in the first place was because of this hose. It would have gotten into the belt and the fan. But Adam gave me the idea of using some clips or some zip ties and zip tie that hose up snug against the tank so it's not all loose and just flopping around. And I don't know how long this hose has been on here, but it looks like it's getting dry rotted. So I think I'm going to go to the auto parts store and just get a brand new one. So I just got back with the brand new hose. I'm going to go ahead and get this thing reinstalled. Yeah, I think that looks a lot better. Yeah, that's going to work good. Now that hose is nowhere near that fan. I just threw a couple zip ties on the overflow tank. It keeps that hose right up against that tank. Kind of hard to see. So that's one more small project complete.